My name is Mitch, and I live in Petrolia, Ontario. The issue was it's a dirt floor, and there was no insulation on the foundation. The warm, moist air would condense against the foundation, and it was just wet all the time down there. Mold was always sort of a concern in the back of my mind. It was a Google search that I did. You guys came up with the best rating, the best Google review. I called the office. They set up a time with an evaluator. He came out and took a look at the crawl space and then gave a couple options and was able to map out the whole area that needed work and was able to even give a price right then and there. Initially, I just went with the spray foam, thinking that I could do some sort of plastic floor myself. Nick Kerskoff was the inspector. I was working in the crawl space while he was here. And so he just looked around, took pictures, did his measurements. When he was ready, we just talked in the kitchen, and he had the plans laid out on the computer already and a whole plan for what they would be doing, and went through the different options. He had the sample of the clean space material. That was pretty cool. That definitely helped sell that product. After thinking about it more, and with the 25-year warranty for the clean space, we decided to just do the whole thing properly. We've definitely noticed the floors are warmer since having the crawl space insulated, and I can imagine the utility bills will probably be lower. It's good to know that it's clean and dry and sealed. The speed with which the job was completed was the biggest surprise. I figured it would be like an all-day thing, but I had an appointment in town, so I drove to Sarnia, and by the time I got back, they were like almost finished cleaning up. Couldn't even tell they were here, other than the crawl space was beautiful when they left. If you want somebody to do the job quickly and efficiently and without hassle, then you should call Advanced Basement Systems.